Evening Prayer. You who dwell in the gardens, my companions, are listening for your voice. Let me hear it. My precious Lord Jesus remembers well the Garden of Gethsemane, and though he has left that place of agony, he now dwells in the garden of his church, unburdening himself to those who stay close to him. The voice with which he speaks to his beloved is sweeter than the harps of heaven. There is a depth of love in it that no human music can match. Tens of thousands on earth and countless souls in heaven are privileged to hear his loving words. Oh, how I envy them. Some of these are poor, bedridden, or near death's door, but I would gladly suffer with them if only to hear your voice. There was a time when I heard that voice frequently, but I have grieved your spirit. Come back to me in mercy and speak once again. I am your salvation. No other voice will satisfy me. I know your voice and cannot be deceived by another. Please, I beg you, let me hear it again. I don't even care what you say. Whether it is a word of rebuke or comfort, I will bless you for it. If my ears need to be opened through painful trials, then so be it. I still long for nothing more than to hear your voice. Lord, grant this unworthy servant my heart's desire tonight. I am yours, bought by your blood. You have opened my eyes to see you, and that sight has saved me. Now, open my ears that I may hear you. I have read your heart, now let me hear your lips.